Greg Louganis, he was an Olympic swimmer for the United States. In the 1984 Olympics, he was supposed to win the Olympics. I mean, everybody knew. He came to the Olympic Games in great form, and in swimming, diving, they do 10 dives. On his 9th dive, perhaps you saw it, it was a disaster. He hit his head against the diving board, and he was okay, but it was a disastrous dive. Basically, he had no chance of coming back and winning the next day. Very, very slim chance. After that, I was watching that on TV, and the interviewer afterwards, after he did that disastrous dive, said, "Are you going to go back to your room and watch that dive?" He said, "Are you crazy? That would be stupid. I'm going to go back to my room, and I'm going to watch the best dives I've ever done." That's what he did. He came back the next day. He stood on that diving board. He dove a perfect dive. He got 10s all the way across the board, and he walked away with the almost impossible gold medal. If athletes can use this power, so can we.